Welcome to the ultimate road sign guide. Whether you're hitting the road for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this video breaks down 50 crucial signs every driver should recognize. Mastering these will help you stay sharp, drive safely, and feel more confident behind the wheel. If you're ready to level up your road smarts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's jump right in. The parking place sign designates a safe, approved area where vehicles can be legally parked. These zones are especially important in urban settings to reduce congestion, support businesses, and ensure pedestrian safety. A snowdrifts may exist sign alerts drivers that snowdrifts might be present on the roadway ahead, which could obstruct lanes or reduce visibility. Drivers should reduce speed, be prepared for sudden road blockages, and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. The Fasten Seatbelt sign is a crucial safety reminder found near toll booths, tunnels, or border crossings, urging all occupants to buckle up before proceeding, as seatbelts dramatically reduce injury during accidents. The two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1 lane in the opposing direction, sign indicates a complex road layout where one of the 3 lanes is used for oncoming traffic. Drivers must remain especially alert. A no right turn or straight ahead sign restricts movement at a junction, meaning drivers can only turn left. This kind of directional control helps prevent dangerous merges. What type of area is this sign indicating? B. Parking place. What action should drivers take? A. Fasten seatbelt. What movement is restricted here? C. No right turn or straight ahead. The level crossing with no gate sign warns of a railway crossing that lacks physical barriers. Drivers must approach with extreme caution, come to a complete stop if a train is approaching, and only proceed when it's safe and clear in both directions. A minimum speed sign displays the lowest legal speed allowed on that stretch of road, typically set to maintain safe flow on highways or in tunnels, preventing excessively slow-moving vehicles from becoming hazards. The school zone sign indicates that the area ahead is frequented by children, especially during drop-off and pickup hours. Speed limits are reduced, and extra caution is required for unpredictable movements near crosswalks or sidewalks. A train station sign informs drivers they are near a railway facility where passengers frequently enter or exit the area. Expect increased pedestrian activity, slower vehicles turning in or out, and the potential for buses or taxis stopping suddenly. The T intersection sign means the road you are on will terminate ahead, and you must prepare to turn either left or right. Drivers should signal early, reduce speed, and yield to any cross traffic on the intersecting road. The Keep Right sign instructs all traffic to pass to the right side of an obstacle, such as a median, roundabout, or barrier. It's commonly found in divided highways and construction zones to ensure orderly traffic flow and avoid head-on risks. The motorists must not pass cyclists sign indicates that overtaking bicycles is not allowed in this section, either due to narrow roads or shared paths. This helps protect cyclists from being sideswiped and encourages safer road sharing. What type of intersection is ahead? A -T intersection. What direction must vehicles stay on? B. Keep right. What speed regulation is shown here? A. Minimum speed. The Cross Other Side sign directs pedestrians or cyclists to move across the road to use a safer or designated path. Often placed near islands, school zones, or bridges, it prevents unsafe roadside walking and improves visibility. A Children 1 sign is a specific warning indicating that a child-heavy zone is approaching, such as playgrounds or residential streets. Drivers must reduce speed significantly and watch for sudden movements from young pedestrians. The Disaster Response Route sign marks a road reserved for priority use during emergencies, such as evacuations, firefighting, or ambulance response. These routes are kept clear for rapid access when time is critical. The Divided Road End sign signals that the median separating traffic directions is about to end. Drivers must be prepared for direct exposure to oncoming traffic and adjust positioning and awareness accordingly. A No Right Turn for Trucks sign restricts larger commercial vehicles from turning right at a junction, often due to space constraints, sharp turning angles, or safety concerns in narrow urban areas. The Tourist Information sign points visitors to a nearby location where they can find brochures, maps, local recommendations, and services, enhancing their travel experience and supporting local tourism. An emergency lay-by sign indicates a special pullover area, designed specifically for breakdowns or sudden driver emergencies. It's not for casual parking, and should be kept clear unless urgently needed. What road feature ends ahead? B. Divided road ends. What kind of emergency area is this? C. Emergency lay-by. What pedestrian instruction is given? Cross other side. The bear crossing sign alerts drivers that they are entering a zone where wild bears may cross the road. These signs are often placed near national parks or wooded regions where encounters are possible, especially at dawn or dusk. A standard traffic light with a supplemental sign includes additional text or symbols to explain how certain lanes, vehicles, or movements are governed beyond the normal red, yellow, green signals. This adds context to complex intersections. The end of speed limit zone sign informs drivers that a previously posted speed restriction has ended. From this point on, they should follow the default speed limit for that road type unless otherwise posted. The deer area sign indicates a high likelihood of deer crossing, especially in rural or forested zones. Drivers should slow down, use high beams when appropriate, and avoid swerving if a deer enters the road. The straight through or left turn only sign limits available options at a junction, requiring drivers to continue straight or turn left. Right turns are prohibited, often due to safety concerns or one-way traffic patterns. A no waiting sign means vehicles cannot idle or stop in the marked area, not even temporarily. These zones are critical for keeping bus stops, fire lanes, or loading zones clear. What type of wildlife crossing is ahead? B. Deer area. What regulation is enforced by this sign? A. No waiting. What direction options are permitted? B. Straight through or left turn only. A new sign is usually paired with construction or regulation changes, highlighting new road rules, layouts, or signal operations that drivers may not be accustomed to yet. The reverse turn right sign warns of a sharp right-hand curve, immediately followed by a leftward bend. These reverse curves require low speeds and attentive steering to stay within the lane. The no right turn sign strictly prohibits any right-hand turning movement at the next junction. Drivers must continue forward or seek an alternative route. A foggy conditions may exist sign prepares drivers for sudden drops in visibility due to fog, which may form in valleys or near water bodies. Headlights and reduced speeds are strongly advised. The hill, bike sign, indicates a steep incline or descent on a shared cycling route. Cyclists should be prepared for gear changes, and motorists should respect slower-moving riders. A pedestrian crossing sign marks a designated place where pedestrians have legal right-of-way. Drivers must slow down and stop when someone is crossing or waiting to cross. The motorway junction ahead leading to a town or geographical area sign gives drivers advance notice of an exit they can take to reach a city, town, or region. Helpful for navigation planning. A vehicles exceeding a gross weight sign restricts access to vehicles whose fully loaded weight exceeds the limit, common near weight-sensitive bridges or tunnels. The vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited sign is a restriction aimed at empty or partially loaded heavy vehicles, keeping them off roads unsuitable for their axle load. What turn is not allowed here? C. No right turn. What kind of vehicle restriction is in place? Vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited. What junction is this sign referring to? C. Motorway junction ahead leading to a town or geographical area. A hotel or motel sign is posted to help long-distance travelers locate nearby accommodations, particularly useful during late-night drives or long-haul trips. A hospital sign signals proximity to a medical facility. Drivers are encouraged to reduce noise and watch for ambulances or emergency entrances. The shore or riverbank sign warns that the road runs adjacent to a body of water. Sudden curves, soft shoulders, or the risk of skidding on wet surfaces make caution essential. The truck rollover warning, right sign, is specifically aimed at heavy vehicle operators. Warning of a curve known for tipping hazards. Reduce speed and stay centered in the lane. The end of a pedestrian zone sign informs drivers that a section of road previously closed to vehicles is now open. Normal driving rules resume. The entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour sign marks the start of a reduced speed area, often found in residential neighborhoods or near schools to enhance pedestrian safety. A railway-level crossing ahead on side road sign alerts drivers of tracks that intersect with a side road. They may not be visible until the last moment, so caution is crucial. The electric vehicle charging sign points to a location equipped with EV charging points, supporting the growing number of zero-emission vehicles on the road. What truck-related warning does this sign show? Truck rollover warning. Where is the crossing located? B. Railway level crossing ahead on side road. What type of station is indicated here? C. Electric vehicle charging. A deer crossing sign reinforces the warning that animals may dart into the roadway. Drivers should maintain a safe speed and avoid swerving if they appear suddenly. The motor vehicles except motorcycles sign prohibits all motor traffic except for two-wheelers, often used in pedestrian malls or narrow scenic routes. The pass either side to reach the same destination sign offers flexible routing around a central island or obstruction. Use either lane to continue in the same direction. The traffic merges onto the main carriageway sign lets drivers know that vehicles will be entering from a side road. Those already on the main road should watch for merging traffic and maintain lane discipline. The skier crossing sign is posted near ski resorts or trails and warns of people crossing the road with skis or snowboards. Drivers should expect slow-moving pedestrians in winter gear. A combination junction, two route signs, means two routes or highways meet at a junction. Drivers should choose their direction based on destination signage to avoid wrong turns. The animal-drawn vehicles sign indicates that carts pulled by horses or oxen may be using the road. Slow down and pass only when it's safe and clear. A narrow structure ahead sign warns of a constricted bridge, tunnel, or arch. Wide vehicles may need to yield or avoid entering altogether. And that wraps up our ultimate road sign guide. If this helped you feel more confident behind the wheel, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and helpful driving tips. Stay sharp and drive safe.